Hello, this is Dr. Mandar Zogaikar and welcome to the Patient Education Series. Today we will speak about how the dentist takes care of the pain in the clinic. If you go to the dentist with a painful tooth, dentist will first examine the tooth clinically. He will watch your tooth in the dental chair light and he'll take the x-ray of the tooth, ask you questions about your pain. How does the pain aggravate? When does the pain get more on the cold rinse, or whether the pain is continuous, whether the pain relieves after some medication, whether you get more pain in the night. So after these questions, dentist will arrive at the conclusion for the reason of the pain, whether the pain is because of the dental cavity, because of the gum pain, because of the sensitivity or the cracks in the tooth. When the pain is mild or moderate, dentist will, after seeing the x-ray, the extent of the cavity, dentist will decide whether the filling is possible or you require a root canal treatment. Then he will explain you about the treatment and give you some medications and give you the appointment. If the pain is very severe, then the dentist will require to give a local anesthesia. The dentist will numb your tooth and then emergency root canal treatment will be done. If you have associated swelling with the tooth, the dentist will numb your tooth and puncture the abscess and drain the infection so that you will get relief. The dentist will decide what the next treatment is going to be done and explain you the treatment. At this point, please remember, you have to follow the next appointment and go for the root canal or extraction or filling or whatever the treatment is required. If you want to know more about the root canal treatment, please continue to watch my next video. Thank you.